Survive and thrive with the WEYLAND Bushcraft tool. Hold on to your hats, adventurers. Want to add a secret weapon to your outdoor arsenal? Meet the WEYLAND Bushcraft Settler's tool, your new trusty sidekick for all things wild and woodsy. Imagine you're out in the boonies needing to craft a shelter or a handy piece of camp gear. This baby's got dual functionality magic. Twist one end and you've got a wood-boring beast. Flip it around and voila, you're fashioning pegs like a pro. Crafted from high-carbon steel, this tool is tougher than a $2 steak. It slices through wood like butter. Have you ever tried making a perfectly fitted peg out of a branch? With the tapered handle, it's a breeze. Whether you're in the woods making maple syrup taps or building a settler's booth, this tool's got your back. Plus, it comes with a stylish leather sheath, both rugged and chic. So, ready to conquer the wilderness like a legend? Hit the link in the description, and let's kickstart some epic outdoor adventures.